This is Mindful Soul's subscription box. This is box number 5. So let's open everything up to see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video we have this. So this is a Mindful Soul subscription box. So to be totally clear and transparent, I have been gifted this item to do an unboxing on my channel and show you what you could get in your box. So with Mindful Souls, they do not do your regular monthly boxes. So you're not going to get a January box, you're not going to get a February box. These boxes are numbers, and the box that I have is box number 5. So yes, this was gifted. I have not paid anything for it, and you're going to get an honest opinion when I open this. The last couple of boxes I have received from this company have been fantastic. I've really enjoyed opening them. It's so different to the boxes that I'm used to opening in, which is lovely. So let's open it on up and have a sneaky peek. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, that would be great. Because I broke my nail. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. So yeah, if you can share my channel with your friends and your family, the quicker we can get to 2,000 subscribers, we can get on with my giveaway. I'll link a video here that's just going to show you what is in the giveaway. The main prize is the Glossy Box 2021 Advent Calendar, which is magnifique. Right, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. This is actually the first time I've received one of these in the box. But just to give you some information on it, the box, it just says treat yourself to a monthly surprise. You get 6 to 8 items in your box each month. First box ships immediately. After that, you'll get it within 2 to 6 days. All following box ship on the 7th of every month. You can cancel at any time for any reason. It just says sit back and relax and let us create your first box. In each box you will find a variation of powerful crystals, gem jewelry, relaxing aromatherapy, mindful talismans, natural body products, monthly affirmations, detailed information guides, spiritual mystery items, which sound awesome. It's time to focus exclusively on you. Explore the new and exciting collection of self-love items each month. Get ready to grow with new self-love rituals. Learn about different crystals and their properties. Kickstart and magnify your spiritual journey. Enhance your meditation and healing practices. Reduce stress and discover mindfulness. So this is, let's take a closer look at this, because as I say, I haven't received this before. Secret power of an attitude shift. Make room for joy. Right, yeah, so in here I've just had a quick little look-see there. There's a little welcome note. It's telling you lucky charms for May. Should it stay or should it go? Are negative emotions really bad? Energy cleansing rituals. Mindful Souls team favourite, citrine crystal point, and it's telling you about citrine and all of that. What's that? Your horoscope. So I am a Scorpio. What is this new source of income I'm sensing? It feels like you've been working on a side hustle that's finally about to pay off. If you don't have one, this is your sign to put more effort into your hobbies. People are ready to pay to see your art, online content, etc. Right, so we get our card, which has information on all the products that are in this box, which is fantastic. So on the other side, it just says, Mindful Souls, encourage yourself, believe in yourself, and love yourself. Never doubt who you are. That's actually really nice. We have got this little card here. It's an affirmation card, and the one that I have is an affirmation for ownership. I can pick and choose what I want to do. So there. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I've got 2. We get some little stickers. You normally just get 1, but I think 2 of mine were stuck together, so I've prof there. Very beautiful and colourful. something smells nice. And that is a little bit of a sneak peek there. Not much of one because everything is in little baggies. But yeah, let's get to digging through here and seeing what we've got one by one. The first thing I'm going to start with is this. It didn't come in a baggie, probably because they didn't have one big enough. But look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Oh my god, it's so cute. That's going to look so cute in my new beauty room. So what is this gorgeous thing? It says clear quartz energy generator, which fantastic. I need a lot of energy generating, that's for sure. It just says having an energy generator crystal in your space will help to clear out any negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. These generators raise the energy from the earth to the sky and can bring universal light and knowledge into your space. It's a great tool for meditating, healing and general support. It can also be used to charge other crystals. Clear quartz is a master healer crystal and it amplifies the energy of crystals it is placed near. Place energy generators in your home or workspace to protect, activate and transmute energy. Yeah, that actually sounds really good. As I say, I could do with a lot of energy generating, and that is going to look so good in my new beauty room. So the first little baggie we'll open up is this. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Oh, very nice. What is this? This is moss agate. Moss agate carries a strong connection with nature and mending its healing and nurturing energy to you. It teaches us to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with the earth, helping us to set an intention for healing the planet. Associated with heart chakra, moss agate also helps facilitate the release of old habits and fears to inspire growth. Oh, lovely. That is going to look really nice sitting on the side as a little decorative piece. But yeah, it's so interesting to look at. It's beautiful. Next we have this. This didn't come in a baggie either, but this is what I am smelling. So this is Blue Sage Lavender Smudge Stick. Blue Sage has a mild floral aroma, so if you're someone who finds strong smells overpowering, this might be the new favourite smudge stick. It is also known to attract prosperity and wealth. Give me the wealth. So it's an excellent addition to any abundance ritual. Lavender carries an energy of happiness and tranquility, making the stick perfect for when you're feeling stressed. Oh, lovely. Yeah, that's really cute. That really does smell nice. And again, like it says, it's not overpowering at all. It's a really nice, gentle, calming smell. We got in this one. So this is the fourth. I had to look there. This is the fourth item. Oh, we have a necklace. Wow, guys, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's like a bronzy, brassy effect chain, and then with a moon with a stone hanging down. What does it say about this? Yellow Aptite Waning Crescent Necklace. The waning crescent moon symbolises the end of an old cycle, the start of approaching new one. Detach yourself from the world and rest. It's time to think things over and contemplate the things you should let go. Aptite is a dual action stone known for its positivity and use with personal power to achieve goals. It clears away confusion and negativity and then stimulates intellect to expand knowledge and truth, which may be used for personal growth or for collective good. It's the stone of manifestation. I can't say that, oh my goodness. Promoting a humanitarian outlook and service to others. Cool. So I'm more into like silver, if I'm honest. But this can definitely be used as a decoration piece if I hang it nicely from somewhere. Right, so the fifth item. Ooh, look at that. We got a ball. That is cute. This is Tiger's Eye Sphere. When fear enters our decision-making process, our choices get skewed. See the path ahead clearly, improve your foresight with the Tiger's Eye Sphere. Tiger Eye healing properties protect us from seeing the worst in ourselves. Instead, the tiger eye healing energy blesses the third eye with confidence, courage, strength and harmony, so that our perspective isn't tainted by self-doubt or insecurities. To activate your crystal, sit quietly, holding the crystal in both hands. Breathe in the highest white light and visualize your intention with your crystal. Oh, that is so smooth and perfectly round, and oh my, it's mesmerizing just looking at it. Oh my god, that's so cute. Have the last item, guys. Oh, I'm gutted. I'm actually really enjoying unboxing this. Oh my goodness, that's cute. Oh, it's got silver bits on it too. So this is a rose quartz bracelet. Thinking of self-care as a necessity rather than a luxury that you don't have time for will set you up for a happier, healthier life. Self-care is all about making time to nurture yourself and loving yourself unconditionally. Bless yourself with compassion by connecting to the rose quartz energy of this bracelet. Rose quartz brings the focus to how strong and powerful you are, regardless of what's happening with your body. It begs you to love yourself at every stage. Oh, so let me just pop that on. Oh my god, it fits lovely. So it's pink, so obviously I think you're aware I kind of like pink. And then we have some silver details on it. So we've got like some little spacer beads there, and then we have this decorative one, which is really nice. I think it's just some kind of pattern. Right guys, so this is Mindful Souls box number 5. What do you think? Personally, I am loving this box. It is so cute. You get some adorable stuff in here. I must admit, my favourite thing in the box is this. It looks absolutely stunning, and who doesn't need an energy generator, let's face it. But yeah, we've got some really gorgeous jewellery pieces. We have some lovely stones. It's just lovely. It's just all lovely. I love crystals and gems, and oh, so pretty to look at. Yeah, and if you want to gift a friend or a family member something different, this is definitely the thing to gift them with. But yeah, I will leave the link for this down below in the information box and the comment box. It'll get you 20% off. This box is $39.99. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!